In a world where clouds are born from whispers of the wind, they gather like artists, painting the sky. Look at us, they say. We are the guardians of the earth's breath. As they dance, they weave a tapestry of rain and shade, cooling the land below. We are the storytellers, they murmur, of storms and sunshine. Each cloud, a dreamer, shapes the climate, balancing warmth and chill. Together, we create harmony, they declare. In their unity, they inspire us to cherish our planet. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.